this is, because Haiti stamps. And I have a box. This table is set up. And I have also got all 3 camera angles set up, with the boom arm sort of blocking my face in one of them. There we go, much better. And also you can see the microphone up there, so you could guess that I'm going to be walking around, especially since I have this really long extension cable. And I totally am going to be walking around. Doesn't pick up as well from here though, because it is a cardioid microphone, and it's pointed this way. However, I could just, However, where am I in this? Generally speaking, I don't want to use the 3rd camera angle when changing between, unless I go out of frame, which, however, when I'm just changing them for just because, I will occasionally use it. But now I need to find the box cutter. Time skip. Okay, well, I did not find the box cutter, so I'm just going to use these instead. Oh, screw this. Or maybe I can just tear it off, which is what I did. Let's get the other side, though. No! I forgot to turn that guy back on. Ugh. Screws and butter and peanuts. What? Oh, right. Well, anyways, that's this side taken care of. And now for the top. Oh. Remember to switch camera angles once it is just the top that is remaining. If I can English, which I clearly cannot. Oops. There we go. Okay. Yay. So anyways, inside of it, there's this weird bubble wrap. And then, there's another box! There's another box! Yay! Which is actually quite heavy. And I actually clipped a bit there. Okay, let's just cut this tape. Ooh! This here reminds me of the Apple charger. You know, the ones that came in the days of MagSafe. That the cord is very, well, semi-curly at the moment. But anyways, here we go. We have a brand new touchscreen. Oh, I didn't realize it had that. It has AMD Ryzen. Now let's see, there's got to be a power button somewhere. Micro SD card. Ooh, USB-A port. There's one USB-C port right here, and a USB-A port right next to it, and an HDMI port right next to it. And then the charging port. They all appear to be... Oh, the power button's right there. Wait a minute. It should always, always, always be plugged in prior to turning it on. Let's see, is there any place to actually plug it in, though? It appears to reach down to here. Let's get it there. Oh. I just heard the furnace turn on. Anyways. We have got a white indicator on the side and also an orange indicator. Oh, and it's actually turning on. The white indicator has a light bulb next to it, and the orange indicator has a charging next to it. Well, it looks to be successful. It's made by the same company that made,
Hi there, I'm Cortana.
Hey!
And I'm here to... A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Well, unfortunately,
Use your voice
ladies
or the
and
keyboard
gentlemen,
along the way,
that
and
is
if you'd
all
like
I've
me
got
to stay
time for.
quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of to turn on narrative.
Bye.